Good morning, everyone. Dr. Sarva Patan from Personalized Physical Therapy and Wellness, and I am here for our tip number 7. This is about twisting or rotating, and when you're using your sweeper or you're using the raker, which is like for maybe weeding out or clearing out your leaves and your little dirt or mulch that you might have it on the grass. You want to make sure that you are rotating from the legs and not twisting your core. So I wanted to show you on the sweeper. I've got my driveway that I need to sweep or blow, but I would like to show you with the sweep part so that you have a step stance and then you're kind of sweeping it as you do it. And then after a few minutes, one of the things you could do is you could switch legs and do it. And the other thing is you just turn, rotate, and do it with the other side. Make sure you have a step stance because then you keep the weight distributed on both legs and not just get stuck on one or put some more pressure on the lower back. And then at the same time, you're rotating and changing sides to avoid causing too much of torsion in your lower back. So again, stay safe, stay healthy while you garden, and enjoy your time outside. Dr. Sarva Patan from Personalized Physical Therapy and Wellness.